Use workflows to create contracts and entitlements in the Customer Service Management workspace. To select the target entity for a renewal or change workflow, you can configure the rules in the Customer Lifecycle Workflows Policy table. To create this workflow, we'll search for decision tables, then search for Customer Lifecycle Workflow, and select Customer Lifecycle Workflows Policy. Under the decision table, select the plus icon to add a new row to the decision table. Here, we'll set the conditions to create a target entity. Here, in each respective column of our new row, set the conditions as follows. In the context column, set the value to change. In the opportunity management column, set the value to false. In the quote management column, set the value to false. In the target entity name column, add a name. In our case, we've copied and pasted it in. And then in the order management column, set the value to true. Based on this decision table, you can create an order, a quote, an opportunity, or both a quote and an opportunity together while renewing a service contract. For modifying, we can create an order and quote. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.